613 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 15 September 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 15 September, 446 people recovered, 11 new deaths reported, total confirmed cases in the states are 25,511. Total active cases in the state stands at 5,102. Total recovered cases stands at 20,094. Total 315 deaths are reported till 15 September 2020. Goa's recovery rate is 78.76%. Total samples tested till 15 September 2020 are 2,27,810. Breakup of total 5,102 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center CSC Picholim 235, CSC Sakre 332, CSC Pernam 217, CSC Valpai 225, Urban Health Center USC Mapsa 192, USC Panji 290, Primary Health Center PSC Aldona 155, PSC Bedki 107, PSC Kandolim 151, PSC Kansarvarnam 105, PSC Korwae 105, PSC Kollim 124, PSC Chimbal 182, PSC Shiolim 123, PSC Purwarim 314, PSC Mayam 59, Travelers by Road Flight Train 6. South Goa Community Health Center CSC Kurchorim 79, CSC Kankana 78, Urban Health Center USC Margao 402, USC Vasco 286, Primary Health Center PSC Bali 28, PSC Kansaulim 125, PSC Chinchinim 36, PSC Kortalim 183, PSC Kurtorim 54, PSC Lutolim 101, PSC Marsaim 104, PSC Kapam 103, PSC Sangam 74, PSC Shiroda 43, PSC Dharbandara 99, PSC Ponda 306, PSC Navelim 78. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 15 September are as follows. District North total capacity 545, current vacancy 178. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 539. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.